Introducing the FUNMO X5 Plus Wider bike, where style meets unmatched performance. Powered by a 2000W motor and fueled by a 48V 25AH lithium battery, this e-bike takes you beyond the ordinary, reaching speeds over 60 km/h. With a detachable battery pack and an 8-hour charge time, adventure is just around the corner. Crafted with precision, the FUNMO X5 Plus features an Aerospace Aluminum Frame, processed through CNC technology for exceptional durability and lightweight performance. Whether you're navigating city streets or off-road trails, this e-bike is built to handle it all. Ride in comfort with 20-inch Asterisk 4.0 tires that offer superior traction and stability on any terrain. The adjustable seat and chassis cater to riders of all sizes, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride no matter the distance. Stay informed and safe with the integrated 3.7-inch LED display, providing real-time data at your fingertips. The retro LED headlight not only adds a touch of style, but also ensures you're visible, day or night. Tailored for the adventurous, the FUNMO X5 Plus offers 35 gears with a 7-speed Shimano derailleur, giving you the freedom to conquer any terrain. The inverted front suspension and rear supercar shock absorbers ensure a ride as smooth as it is thrilling. Safety is paramount with race-grade hydraulic disc brakes that provide reliable, maintenance-free stopping power in all conditions. Whether you're cruising at high speeds or navigating steep descents, you're always in control. Experience the thrill of versatility with the FUNMO X5 Plus Wider bike. Perfect for the urban explorer and the off-road adventurer alike, this e-bike is your ticket to endless possibilities. Where will your next ride take you? FUNMO X5 Plus, redefine your ride.